A major resource required for this industry and business segment for Procter & Gamble is the knowledge of consumer needs through consumer data. Consumer data is a very valuable resource, and across the world, it's becoming the most valuable commodity. By having employees who are skilled and are proficient in acquiring consumer data through online retail sales and other methods, Procter & Gamble will be able to more accurately design their products and understand delivery methods to get their products to consumers. It's my belief that in order to gain this resource more effectively, Procter & Gamble should build from within, as they have enough money and already invest enough in R&D to figure out how to make products. Knowing what products should be made is what's truly valuable. They can create a detergent that smells a certain way, but it doesn't help if the consumer doesn't want it to smell that way. By building from within, Procter & Gamble will be able to use their own resources and their existing infrastructure to build up a department that will be able to more effectively gather this information and then integrate it into the production process. And the company has the funds to rely on internal development and innovation by investing in their own research studies rather than relying on outside research companies or paying them to conduct these research studies on their own and then give the information to Procter & Gamble. By combining existing resources that P&G possesses, they are able to be more effectively gather this information and utilize it in a way that would not be possible if they had outsourced to another company. This also fits the existing culture at Procter & Gamble, as they pride themselves on maintaining an integrated structure that involves the company as a whole rather than just being made up of individual segments. Since this is something that's built into Procter & Gamble's culture, it'll allow for a seamless integration into the current structure. And whereas if this somehow starts to fail, then it would be prudent for the company to continue to invest in outside sources and then integrate those buildings into their own department.